Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a video doing an unboxing, review, and first time try on of the Bruno Marc KnitFlex shoes in the white color. This is a set of shoes that you can currently get on Amazon for about $40. And so what we'll do in this video is we'll show you what they look like up close, discuss the general features, and then I'll throw them on my feet to give you a general sense of the size and fit. As always, if you're interested in potentially purchasing this, I'll leave links in the description below. Okay, so these are going to be the Bruno Marc men's KnitFlex shoes. You can currently get these on Amazon for about $40. These are going to be their all white model, which is the most popular version, but they've got a wide variety of color options, and you can check out the link below to see them. But really quickly, they've got a light gray, a black, a light brown, a dark brown, and a navy, and then they've got an all black shoe with a black sole as well, but that's the main gist of them. This is going to be the specific model number, so it's going to say Grand 01. For me, it's going to be a 10.5 size, which is my usual size, and this is the specific white one. And then we'll just take these out of the box so you can see them. So this is what they look like. So these are going to be their white model. So basically it's going to be a mesh upper, which is mesh along the whole top here, along the side, and then the other side as well, which is pretty nice, very, very flexible from that standpoint. For the white model specifically, it's going to be all white here. Then it's going to have this accent of like light brown leather along the bottom sole here, which is pretty nice. And then that extends upwards along the back here for the tab, and it's a nice leather kind of finish there. And then the sole is going to be all white across the bottom, and it's going to be kind of just white there. The sole specifically is going to be a very, very cushiony rubber material. It's going to be a soft rubber, and basically it's going to be flat across the bottom here, so it'll be very comfortable. It'll absorb a lot of impact, and it'll be very good from a walking standpoint. But that's the overall look of it. I really like the fact that it's got this mesh upper because it's going to be very comfortable. It'll be good for summertime period, and that's the sort of gist here as far as what it looks like. Here's the other shoe just so you can see it as well. All right. And the nice part about these is they're only $40, so they're very, very affordable, and the overall design is pretty nice for that price point. Okay, one more time here what the shoes look like at this angle. Okay. So overall, very nice design from the white standpoint. They do come with white laces, so I undid those. And then we'll just throw these on real quick, get a sense of the general fit and feel. So very, very easy to get on. With the mesh kind of material, there's no sense of like difficulty in getting these on. It's very, very flexible, and basically it's like broken in immediately straight off the bat with this because it's a very like flexible mesh material from that standpoint. We'll just tighten this up all the way, and so the laces do have to be tightened a little bit more than other shoes, just because it is a flexible material. But I do like the overall fit and feel and kind of design of this, just based on like my first impressions as far as putting the shoe in. As far as size, this is going to be a 10.5. My toe is about here at it, and there's a little bit of space here, but overall the width and kind of fit on the sides is very nice. This is like, it conforms very nice to the side of my foot here and here. So I'll say that if I probably went with a 10, it would bring down the size a little bit shorter, but it probably would be too narrow on the side here. So I would probably just stay true to your size as far as the overall fit here. But this is what they look like as far as like from the top, the sides, okay, the back, and then the other side. But a very nice shoe as far as like the overall fit feel. The fact that it's mesh like makes it very, very flexible. It doesn't have to break in at all from that standpoint. And the sole is a solid like rubber design where it's got a lot of cushion there, a lot of feel there, where I feel like you could walk in these for a while with being very comfortable. So they are a really, really nice shoe for $40. I'm actually pretty impressed with the overall design. I like the fact that it's got this leather accent that runs across the side there, but that's really kind of the gist of it. So this is the Bruno Marc men's KnitFlex shoe. You can currently get these on Amazon. They've got a wide variety of color options. Definitely check out the link below if you're interested, but thanks for watching and have a great day.